Commercial AC equipment takes quite a beating during the South Florida summers. This kind of wear and tear can be extremely costly in the event of an unexpected breakdown. This is why you need a specialized team of experts on your side that will meet all of your AC needs. Commercial air conditioning is a very specialized industry. Whether you're in need of maintenance, service, or replacement, our commercial air conditioning division can provide you with the services you need. We provide quick and detailed commercial services to companies small and large. At ECM, our number one priority is to provide you with a long-term solution for your commercial needs. And since every commercial AC situation is unique, we will always perform a full, in-depth site survey to ensure your specific needs are met. We offer fully customized maintenance agreements to keep your equipment functioning at peak performance. We also are fully licensed to sell parts and labor service contract agreements. If you need new commercial AC equipment, you've come to the right place. With 30 years of experience in commercial AC design and engineering, we can replace and design the perfect system for your business. East Coast Mechanical has a professional team that specializes in commercial air conditioning who are focused on minimizing your downtime, and we are always willing to work around your schedule. ECM will always provide a detailed timeline and scope of work to be performed with guaranteed results. So call us today at 561-585-9850 or visit us on the web at commercial.ecmservice.com.